Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can enjoy free 200 naira from MTN. So today you will get free 200 naira from MTN without recharging any card. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your die pad. You will need to dial this code. As you can see, *344 *4 *1 *1 hash. You have to dial it on your MTN SIM. Once you dial the code, you have to put this name KMC send. You have to put this birthday 09. Okay, today is 29. Sorry, 29 09 2018 exactly, and you will send. I've already received mine. You understand? But you can also send if you have never received yours. Just send it. You will receive your free 200 naira from MTN. So this is how to check your balance. If you have received yours, this is how to check your balance. *344 *4 *2 hash. You have to dial it. If you have received yours, you will see it here. As you can see, I've used 5 naira. My balance remains 195 naira and it will end tomorrow. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.